Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about what is a solution. So this is our second chapter of chemistry. Now today's topic is a solution. So before discussing this, we just take a look what we have to learn in previous class. We just take a look what we have to learn in a previous class. Here in previous class we learn about matter. We learn about matter. What is a matter? Now matter is a classified matter. What is matter? Any substance which occupies space and have mass. Any substance which occupies space and have mass, it is called as a matter. Now matter is classified into pure substance and impure substance. Impure substance means mixture. Now again, pure substance is classified into elements and compounds. Now here elements means what? In simple language, elements means this, which is a substance which is made up of any one type of the particles. ऐसा सब्सटेंस कि जो एक ही टाइप के पार्टिकल से बना हो उसे बोलेंगे हम एलिमेंट्स. एंड हियर elements can be broken down into simpler substances. Now compounds, what is compound? Compounds means the substance which is made up of the different types of the atoms or different types. Now here examples for compounds, water, sugar, and here examples for elements copper and oxygen. देखिए ऑक्सीजन एक ही टाइप के एटम से बना है मीन्स ओ, इट इज़ अ एलिमेंट. बट वाटर, सी द वाटर किससे बना है? हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन बोथ आर कंबाइन एंड देन वाटर इज मेक. सो इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस. इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस मीन्स mixture. Impure substance means a mixture, that is which is made up of the different kind of the atoms, different kind of the materials, which is a mixture. Mixture is again classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So here homogeneous mixture means it is a uniform composition. So in simple language, homogeneous mixture means what? We take here example of solution of sugar. When we add sugar into solution of water, then it is mixed thoroughly. Okay, the particles of sugar, we can't find the particles of sugar into that solution. हम find कर पाएंगे? No. This solution is uniform. All the particles are mixed with each other uniformly. हम separate कर पाएंगे इसे? नहीं. This is a homogeneous solution. Now let's look at the heterogeneous solution. Heterogeneous solution means what? If sugar is added with sand, we can easily see the sugar particles and sand particles, and also we can separate it out. Sugar particles also separated out and sand particles also separated out. But in homogeneous में हम separate कर पाएंगे sugar को water से? नहीं. But in heterogeneous we can easily separate out the particles of sugar and particles of sand. This is about the heterogeneous. Now this is about the Tyndall effect. What is the Tyndall effect? मैंने आपको बोला था what is Tyndall effect? Write down Tyndall effect. No one writes the about Tyndall effect. किसी को Tyndall effect के बारे में कुछ भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ, इसका मतलब यही है. But here I will again explain about the Tyndall effect. When this is a solution, one solution, this is another solution. Here in this solution we have add some sugar. This is another solution, we have add here milk. Okay, when beam of light is passing from here, यहाँ से beam हमें दिख रही है? No. But here we have easily seen the beam of light. Here we have easily seen the beam of light, that is into the solution, that is here a colloid, colloids. Here a milk solution means here a colloidal solution. Milk solution means a colloidal solution. And here beam of light is scattered over the space is provided here. Beam of light is scattered. Why this is scattered here? I will explain this here. If we added the milk into that beaker, the particles of milks are larger. Particles of milk are larger, and if the light beam is passing through this particle, it is scattered over the space are provided here. It is scattered everywhere so that we can easily see the beam of light from this beaker. Here the particles of sugar we have added here, the particles are very small and are dissolved into the solution properly, so we can't, this particles is very small, so they can't scattering the beam of light, they can't scatter the beam of light, यहाँ से reflect नहीं होगी light. But in this solution the light is a easily reflect, right? Light is a easily reflect because the particles of milk are bigger than the particles of sugar, so here light beams are scattered. Okay, so that's why it is called as a Tyndall effect. Now we will move to the solution. What is the solution? First, before going to this, first we just read it out. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution क्या है? Homogeneous mixture. And also we also know that all homogeneous means all solutions are the homogeneous. All solutions are homogeneous of two or more substances. दो या दो से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस मिक्स होकर सॉल्यूशन बनता है. दो और दो से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस मिलकर सॉल्यूशन होता है. नाउ lemonade is a solution, soda water is also solution. Okay, so we think that only the liquid particles is solution, only the liquid things is a solution. हमें लगता है कि लिक्विड ही बस सॉल्यूशन है. नो, alloys are also solution. So then what is alloy? What are the alloys? Here alloys are the mixtures of two or more metals. Alloys are the and we know that metals are not liquid. So what are the alloys? When metals are burnt, metals are heated, two metals are heated and mixed with each other, this is a alloy. This is nothing but two or more metals are heated, burned and then mix with each other, this is a alloy. तो ये भी liquid ही हुआ means, but this is a solid. Okay, this is also a solution. Then the proper definition for solution is a mixture of two or more substances. It is a solution. Mixture of two or more substances is a solution. Okay, this is clear it out. What is a solution? Now in solution क्या होता है solution में? How the solution is prepared? Solution is equal to solute. Everyone knows about this. Solute plus solvent. मिक्सचर किससे बनता है? Solute plus solvent से बनता है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक वाटर दैट इज अ सॉल्वेंट, टेक sugar that is solute, added both each other and we will get the solution. Okay, now let's move here. A solution has solvent and solute as its component. Solution के क्या component होते हैं? Solvent and solute. Now the component of the solution that dissolve the other component is usually the solvent. Now the simple and proper definition for solute and solvent, I will tell you the simple and proper definitions for solution, solute and solvent. Now what is a solute? The substance which is dissolved in solvent to produce a solution. Simple, the substance which is dissolved in सॉल्वेंट मीन्स ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो सॉल्वेंट में डिजॉल्व हो एंड देन प्रोड्यूस अ सॉल्यूशन, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ solute. Now let's look to our solvent. The liquid in which the substance is dissolved, ऐसा liquid जिसमें substance dissolved हो, it is called as a solvent. Now here are the examples. A solution of sugar in water means, let's tell me here of sugar solution which is a solute and which is a solvent. We can easily tell that sugar is a solute because it is added into solvent. Solvent means water, and water is a solvent. Clearly we can mention it now. Second, solution of iodine in alcohol. इसमें सोल्यूट क्या होगा एंड सॉल्वेंट क्या होगा? हियर अल्कोहल इज अ सॉल्वेंट एंड आयोडीन इज अ सोल्यूट. सिंपल है, सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल. सोल्यूट यूजुअली प्रेजेंट इन अ लेसर क्वांटिटी. क्या होता है? सोल्यूट जो है वो लेसर क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट रहता है सॉल्यूशन में, एंड द सॉल्वेंट which is present in large amount in the solution. Solution में solvent large amount में present होता है. So clearly we can identify whether it is solute or solvent. Okay. Now here are the properties for the solution. Now a solution is a homogeneous mixture. Solution क्या है? Homogeneous mixture. Now the particles of solution आर स्मॉलर दैन 1 नैनोमीटर. पार्टिकल्स इतने स्मॉलर है कि उसकी डायमीटर इज़ अ लेस दैन 10 to the power -9 मीटर. Particles are very smaller. Because very smaller particle size, they do not scatter a beam of light. I have already explaining the Tyndall effect, where I have explained why the smaller particles are not scattering the beam of light, because it doesn't reflect the light. Particles इतने smaller होते हैं कि वो light reflect नहीं कर पाते. So that's why we can see the light beam into the colloidal solution, that is milk solution, but we can't see the light into the sugar solution. Okay, so that's why sugar particles are completely mixed into the water, so we can't see the light beam into that sugar solution. Okay, so light is not scattered into the solution. Now solute particles cannot be separate from the solute. If हमने एक बार मिक्सचर बना दिया शुगर का, then हम उसे सेपरेट कर पाएंगे? No, we can't separate it out. Okay, now here we will stop here. In next class we will discussing about concentration of solution. concentration of solution क्या होता है ये हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे.